to P&S Royal Farm. Today is the 4th week of our birds, and as usual, according to the vaccination program we are following, today is our day 2 Lasota. So we shall be using Lasota as vaccination against Newcastle. So continue to watch for more valuable information for your poultry house and your poultry beds. Okay, this is the Lasota vaccine. Just watch as we do it. Okay, because of this cap on it, we are going to use something sharp to remove it. What we have on the farm here is cutlass. And mind you, if you have been following us, you will observe that one thing about vaccine is that you must make sure you do not break the cold chain. Cold chain in the sense that whenever you got this vaccine, you must put it inside the refrigerator so that the cold chain of the vaccine will not be broken. So we just pick it from our refrigerator. You can see how healthy the birds are. They are doing perfectly well. And I hope you know the reason why we put all those rope, so that they will not be able to defecate inside their feed, because it's unhealthy for them. Okay, we have already opened it. Look at the contents. So you just put it inside the drinker. This is 200 dose because there are 200 birds. You add 4 liters to it. You stir properly so that everything will dissolve. After it dissolves, make sure you throw it away to a far place. Then you separate it into the drinkers you have available. You can stir it for proper mixture. Okay, so as you know, normally we'll keep the bird hungry throughout the night so that whenever we bring the water, they'll be able to drink very fast. You see how they will wash the water. Okay, you just allow it 1 to 2 hours for them to drink so that the water will not finish. So thank you for watching. For more valuable information about layer farming, broiler farming, we are your #1 blog. Thank you and God bless you.